Hi, lovely moms! Welcome back to Mary Pump Show tonight. I'm sharing my simple night pumping routine that I use while my baby sleeps. If you want to protect your milk supply and still get some rest, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before I go to bed, I always set everything up. I wash and dry my pump parts, prepare clean bottles or storage bags, and keep my pump next to the bed or in a quiet corner. Having everything ready means I don't have to search for things in the middle of the night when I'm tired. Many moms like to pump once at night, especially in the early months. I usually pump between feeds or when I naturally wake up. I keep the lights low, sit comfortably, and start with a gentle suction level, increasing slowly until it feels comfortable. I try to pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk slows down. When I finish, I pour the milk into a clean storage bottle or bag, label it with the date and time, and put it straight into the fridge. I quickly rinse my pump parts, or place them in a clean container in the fridge to wash properly in the morning. Then I go back to bed as soon as I can, because rest is important for milk supply too. Night pumping can be tiring, but it really helps many moms build and maintain milk supply. Be gentle with yourself, mama. You are doing something beautiful for your baby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mary Pump Show for more breastfeeding, pumping, and mom life support. Sleep well and see you in the next video.